Now, the next big question is, what are we going to do with all these weapons? Where are we going to hide them? The size of Gandiva is that of a size of a fully grown palm tree. That is how they compare the size of Gandiva as. Yeah. Arjuna is also big enough. I mean, that's a little bit of exaggeration, but that is very, very tall. Arjuna is probably 13 or 14 feet tall. It must be like 7 feet or 8 feet. Definitely, for sure. Yeah, Gandiva. So how are they going to hide these things? So what they now they take all these weaponry and they start walking towards Matsya Desa. And as they are approaching Matsya Desa, they go through a graveyard. And there Dharmaraja gets an idea that they find a tree which is kind of aloof, and there they find a few dead animals there, and they're smelling bad. That place is really, really horrible, and it is almost after midnight. So they see that kind of a place, and Arjuna proposes that this is probably the best place to hide our weapons, because nobody will come to this place. The dead animals are also just like that. If the dead animals are untouched, it means that no other live animals are coming there. Live animals are also finding this particular spot really scary, and they are leaving it as is. So there's a possibility of somebody coming there is very, very minute, very less. So let's hide our weapons on top of the tree. So they arrange their weapons in such a way that it looks like a dead body. And they climb the tree, they place that on the branches, and they come down, and with a very loud voice, Dharmaraja makes a statement that particular thing, whatever is hanging on the tree, is the dead body of our old mother. And according to our family tradition, we hang the dead bodies onto the trees. That is the statement he makes in a very loud voice. Why does he make that kind of statement? Yeah.
So no one suspects.
No one smells her.
No, so no one suspects.
No, even if there is somebody around in the surroundings and observing everything silently, nobody gets a question that, okay, what are these guys' weird thing? What are they doing here at this time of the hour?
Oh, and also that they know this is a dead body, not anything suspicious.
Not anything suspicious. Even if somebody is watching them silently, they think that, okay, this guy has just said that it's the dead body, so it's the dead body. Better I don't go there and check out myself. And they also request those weapons. Weapons are personifications of certain gods, right? So they request the weapons. Dharmaraja requests the weapons, not to reveal themselves to anybody other than these 5 people. So if somebody really approaches them, they appear like snakes or reptiles or some dangerous and poisonous creatures, not as weapons. And he also makes a specific request to these weapons that especially don't cooperate to Bhimasena, please. That's what he says, right? Bhimasena had that kind of reputation, right? So please do not cooperate to Bhimasena. That is what they say. And with that said, they all walk towards the Matsya Desa.